Hello everyone and welcome to More to Explore. I'm Miss Natasha and today we are going to make LED circuit bugs. In your kit you will find 5 pipe cleaners. 4 will be for the body of your bug, 1 will be for the wings. You will find a lithium battery which will power your 2 LEDs for the eyes of your bug, and you have the clothespin which will be the frame of your bug. You also have electrical tape, and that will go around to hold the battery and LEDs together. Okay, let's get started. Okay, go ahead and grab your lithium battery, and you want it to have its name on the top. You want to be able to see its name. So go ahead and take your LED and put that long leg. See how there's a long leg and there's a short leg? You want to put the longer leg on top. Go ahead and do that with the other LED. Now that both LED bulbs are lit, you are going to secure it with the electrical tape. So go ahead and put it on top and wrap it all the way around. Okay, once you've done that, grab your clothespin and that will hold the battery. So go ahead, open the mouth and put that battery in there. Excellent. Now you want to wrap your bug with the pipe cleaners. That will be the body. So go ahead and wrap your bug using the pipe cleaners. And you want it pretty tight. Okay, once you're all done, we're gonna put in the wings. So you're gonna take a pipe cleaner and you're gonna weave it underneath one of the others, which is part of the body. And you wanna pull it about halfway to make your 2 wings. Once you're halfway, we are going to twist the ends so they close. We don't want them to open. So go ahead and do that. And then the last twist will be to make the 2 wings. So we'll twist at the bottom and make sure those wings stay tight on the body. And you are all set. Have fun with your LED circuit bug.
Did you know a circuit is a complete path around which electricity can flow? It must include a source of electricity, such as a battery.